Okay friends, I'm very happy to see you here in Kannada Magic Channel. Welcome to Kannada Magic Channel. This is Learn Spoken Kannada series, Scene 12. In this you will learn how to interact in Kannada with government officials in a government office like Passport or very similar in other government offices as well. Let's get started. You really get to park your vehicle if you ask in local language Kannada wherever you go, right? People try to help you when you talk in their language. So you need parking. How do you ask? Madam, parking elli ide? Or sir, parking elli ide? Elli ide means where is it? Yava kade ide means which direction is it? You want to ask something, yava kade ide? Elli ide is where is it? Or you can directly ask, can I park it here? You can say, illi park madla. Madla is to do. Illi means here. Illi park madla. Alli park madla. Kind of questions you can ask easily. Elli ide? Yava kade ide? Illi park madla. Then the person might tell you, ಆ ಕಡೆ, that side, parking ಮಾಡಿ. ಆ ಕಡೆ parking ಮಾಡಿ, ಈ ಕಡೆ parking ಮಾಡಿ. It's very easy to understand. ಆ ಕಡೆ means that side, ಈ ಕಡೆ is this side. So once you park and you enter, the typical question is, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ತೋರಿಸಿ. Show your appointment please. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ತೋರಿಸಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮ is yours. ತೋರಿಸಿ is show. Show the appointment, show the document, whatever can be the question. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ತೋರಿಸಿ. And then ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಸೇತು app ಇದೆಯಾ? ತೋರಿಸಿ. They will ask you, show the ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಸೇತು app nowadays. And you must show it. So it is ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಸೇತು app ಇದೆಯಾ? ಇದೆಯಾ means is it there? ತೋರಿಸಿ is again show it. Okay friends, so what is the address proof you have got, and do you have other kind of questions? Address proof ಏನಿದೆ? ಏನಿದೆ is what is there. Aadhaar ಇದೆಯಾ? ಇದೆಯಾ means is it there. Address proof ಏನಿದೆ? What is there? ಏನು means what. Aadhaar ಇದೆಯಾ? Aadhaar any document they can ask you ಇದೆಯಾ? ಇದೆಯಾ means is it there. You can also understand the minor differences in other words. ಇದೆಯಾ is it there. ಇದೀಯಾ is are you there. Current continuous tense. ಇದೀಯಾ are you there. Or one more word you can learn here. ಇದ್ದೆಯಾ were you there. It's a past tense. ಇದ್ದೆಯಾ ನೀನು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೆಯಾ. Were you there. ನೀನು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೆಯಾ is past tense. ಇದೀಯಾ is current continuous. Are you there. Or they can tell you ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕುಳಿತುಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಾಯಿರಿ or wait ಮಾಡಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ means there, ಕುಳಿತುಕೊಳ್ಳಿ means sit down. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕುಳಿತುಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಾಯಿರಿ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ little. ಕಾಯಿರಿ means wait. Or they may say wait ಮಾಡಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕುಳಿತುಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಾಯಿರಿ or wait ಮಾಡಿ. Like many Indian languages, now English has been part of those speaking of, every state, every place, at least in metro. So when you are asked about, please give copy of all documents, you will see ಎಲ್ಲ documents copy ಕೊಡಿ. ಎಲ್ಲ means all. ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಿ means give. ಎಲ್ಲ documents copy ಕೊಡಿ. Or they may tell you to go to a stand and then in front of the counter, please stand. They can tell you ಆ ಕೌಂಟರ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗಿ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನಿಂತುಕೊಳ್ಳಿ or ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಆ means that. E means this, you know already. Counter ಮುಂದೆ. ಮುಂದೆ is front. ಹೋಗಿ is go. ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Nintko or nintkolli means stand there with respect. Nintkolli. Kutkolli, wherever it ends with li, not li, it is li. Nintkolli is stand there. And you know, when they ask you to come in a queue, or you would have taken token as per the procedure there, whether it's in passport office or elsewhere in government offices or even in banks. Token 14 yaru. Who has that token 14? Illi bani, come here. Yaru is who? Yaru. Illi means here. Alli means there, but illi here. Come here. Bunny, come. Bunny, come. Hogi is go. Hogi. Bunny, hogi. So here they're telling you token 14 or 14 yaru illi bunny. And they may tell you or refer you to go to counter B. Ge hogi. Ge means to. Hogi means go. Counter B ge hogi. Hogi. You can very easily recognize in Kannada. Hogi, go. Bunny, come. You can easily connect with the fellow people who are waiting there in the queue by saying, ಎಷ್ಟೊತ್ತು ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಎಷ್ಟೊತ್ತು ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು? ಇನ್ನು ಎಷ್ಟೊತ್ತು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? Right? How long should we wait, or how long does it take? ಎಷ್ಟೊತ್ತು ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? How long? ಎಷ್ಟೊತ್ತು means how long. Wait is to wait. ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. To do. How long should I wait? ಇನ್ನು. Still. ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೊತ್ತು? How long? ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Does it take? ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇನ್ನು ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೊತ್ತು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? Or ಎಷ್ಟೊತ್ತು ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಎಷ್ಟೊತ್ತು ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು? Like this, you can interact with other people around you. You want to question somebody, can I go inside? You can say ಒಳಗೆ ಹೋಗಬಹುದಾ? ಒಳಗೆ means inside. ಹೋಗಬಹುದಾ means can I go? ಒಳಗೆ. ಹೊರಗೆ means outside. ಒಳಗೆ is inside. ಹೊರಗೆ is outside. ಒಳಗೆ ಹೋಗಬಹುದಾ? ಒಳಗೆ, not ಒಳಗೆ. It is ಒಳಗೆ. ಳ. ಒಳಗೆ ಹೋಗಬಹುದಾ? Then you may hear ಈಗ ಒಳಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ. Now you can go inside. Counter B5 ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ. Go to the particular counter. ಈಗ, now, ಒಳಗೆ, inside, ಹೋಗಿ. ಹೋಗಿ. When somebody say ಹೋಗಿ, you can always go. So, ಈಗ ಒಳಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ.
It's very easy to learn Kannada alphabets and characters and the numbers, and you can also learn how easy to pronounce them with some example words. Check out our other videos of Kannada Magic. It's also very easy to learn what are the Kannada vowels and consonants and script using these videos.
Friends, let's check your Kannada knowledge. Here is a Kannada question of the day. ಇನ್ನು ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೊತ್ತು ಇರಬೇಕು? ಇನ್ನು ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೊತ್ತು ಇರಬೇಕು? ಇದರ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು? Tell us the meaning of this sentence in the comment box of this video. ಇನ್ನು ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೊತ್ತು ಇರಬೇಕು? Give it a try. Let's see how much you have learned.
Friends, hope you liked this video as well. Please like and subscribe. You can check out more and more videos. The links are given below in the description. It is youtube.com/c/Kannada Magic. Thanks for all your support.